Hello, this is Brett from SurvivalComms, and today we're going to talk about doing PM on your Sawyer filter system. Now, the Sawyer Squeeze is a filter that I wish I would have bought before I bought the Mini. I was focused on the smaller form factor and the lower price, and the Sawyer Squeeze is a superior product as far as flow goes, and especially if you're using it in a gravity configuration, which is my preferred method of water filtration. The use of the water bottle is an acceptable method to clean these filters per the manufacturer. I don't particularly think it works as effectively as using the syringe does, because it doesn't allow as much pressure to be placed in reverse in the filter media to clear it. Let's start by disassembling our filter, taking off our cap and setting our syringe aside. This is my gravity feed attachment, and it's rather tight into here, so I end up having to use a Leatherman tool and then to spin it off. This allows me to separate this and clean this separately, and then you see the filter itself on the back side of it, which is the dirty side, and then this is the clean side here. Now we'll clean our hose all as one assembly separately, so we'll set that aside now and we'll focus on the filter. What I do is I use a couple 16-ounce or pint glasses of just clear water. We'll use this cup here to capture the gack coming out of it. But you can see at the exit end or discharge end of your filter, which is where clean water comes out, you're going to utilize your plunger to apply pressure and back flush your filter. This is the aftermath of our back flush, and I put it into this container here to give you an idea. You can still see some of the small solids and stuff at the bottom of the container, and you can see how the water is slightly a sand color in comparison to the color of the container itself. And this filter is actually fairly clean, but this gives you an idea of some of the material that the filter is removing from your drinking water when you're using it in service. Now I'm going to sanitize the assembly, so go ahead and take your filter, and in this instance my gravity feed device. Take a third of a cap full of bleach, throw it in a pint glass, fill it with water, draw that solution up in the syringe, and flow it through the entire assembly. When you get to the last syringe of your solution, go ahead and press it through. Close the valve, cap it, and let the solution sit in the filter and its apparatus for its specified contact time. Now, after allowing the filter and the attached apparatus 1/2 hour of contact time with the bleach solution, we're going to go ahead and back flush it with clear water. So we'll go ahead and remove our cap, we'll open our valve, and we'll run 16 ounces of clean water back through our filter and the attachments again, just like that. At this point we can disconnect our gravity feed hose, and I'll take this outside and I'll whip it around, and this will eliminate all of the moisture from inside of it. Our filter, and shake out our final rinse. Now allow your filter and related apparatus to dry completely before placing it into storage. Congratulations, you have now effectively back flushed, sanitized, and clean water rinsed your Sawyer Squeeze filter system. Doing this after every use will prolong the life of your product and allow it to work to its maximum potential. I hope this helps. This is Brett from SurvivalComms. Till next time.